Hello, presenting you class 3rd mathematics. Topic shapes, which include one-dimensional shapes, two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Before learning these in detail, we learn about a zero dimension, which is point. A point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. It has no size. That means it has no length, breadth and height. It is indicated by a dot and named with a capital letter. For example, as point A, point B and point C, so on. Let's move on to one-dimensional shapes. They have only length, which include line, line segment and ray. Line. Collection of points is called line. It has only length. It has no end points. For example, the picture indicates line AB and line CD. Moving on to line segment, which is a part of line and has an exact length. It has two end points. The picture indicated is line segment AB. Coming to ray. A ray is a part of straight line which has a starting point but has no end point. The picture indicated is ray ST. Next comes the two-dimensional shapes. These are the closed figures which can be drawn on a sheet of paper and has length and breadth. They include square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Square. It is a closed figure with four straight lines as sides. All the sides of square are equal, which is its unique feature. It has four corners and we call them as vertices. We name the square with its corners. Moving on to rectangle, which is similar to square, is also having four sides, and the only difference between is the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. It has four corners. Triangle. Triangle is a closed figure which is having three straight lines and three corners. Circle. Circle, it is not made of a straight line, but it is a curved line which has no sides and corners. We name a circle by its center. The picture indicated is read as circle A. And next comes the three-dimensional shapes. These are the solid figures of an object or shape which have three dimensions. The three dimensions include length, breadth and height. Properties of three-dimensional shapes include faces, edges and vertex. A face is a flat or curved surface of the shape. Edge is where two faces meet, and vertex is a corner where edges meet. The three-dimensional shapes include cube. A cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the edges of cube are equal. Examples: dice, sugar cubes, etc. Moving on to cuboid, similar to the cube, even it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cube has square faces, whereas cuboid has rectangular faces. Opposite edges of cuboid are equal. Examples include lunch boxes, books, bricks, etc. And next is the cylinder with two circular flat faces and one curved face. It has two circular edges and has no corners. Examples include candle, cold drink cans, battery, etc. And next comes the cone with one flat circular face, one curved face and one corner. It has one circular edge. Examples: ice cream cone, party hats, funnels, etc. The final includes the sphere, which is a curved surface. It has no edges and corners. Example include globe, basketballs, marbles, etc. Finally, in this session, we learn about one-dimensional shapes which include line, line segment and ray. Two-dimensional shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. And the three-dimensional shapes which include cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Thank you.